Women's health requires a comprehensive approach, addressing unique hormonal changes, cardiovascular health, metabolic disorders, and more. This package is carefully designed to cover all major aspects of a woman's health, offering detailed insights into cardiac risk markers, hormone profiles, metabolic health, and essential vitamins. Here's a breakdown of each profile in this health checkup package and why it's vital for women and girls in India. For women and girls, monitoring heart health is vital. This health checkup package includes key cardiac risk markers. The ApoB, ApoA1 ratio assesses the balance of good and bad fats. Apolipoprotein A1, ApoA1, and apolipoprotein B, ApoB, indicate heart disease risk. High sensitivity C-reactive protein, HSCRP, detects inflammation, a sign of cardiovascular issues, and lipoprotein A, LPA, levels reveal genetic risk factors. Together, these markers empower women to take proactive steps in maintaining heart health. A complete hemogram is essential for monitoring women's health, providing insights into blood composition and immune function. It assesses iron levels through hemoglobin and immune health via total leukocyte count (WBC). The counts of basophils, eosinophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, and neutrophils help detect allergies, infections, and inflammation. Additionally, mean corpuscular hemoglobin (MCH) and mean corpuscular volume (MCV) reveal red blood cell size and concentration, while platelet counts indicate clotting issues. Regular checkups empower women to take charge of their health. Monitoring your blood sugar levels is crucial for women's health, especially as diabetes becomes increasingly common. Key tests include average blood glucose (ABG), which provides a snapshot of your blood sugar levels over time, and BA1C, which reflects your average blood glucose levels over the past 2 to 3 months. These tests help identify prediabetes and diabetes, enabling early intervention to prevent complications such as heart disease, kidney issues, and nerve damage. Regular testing is vital for managing your health and ensuring a balanced lifestyle. Maintaining proper electrolyte balance is crucial for women and girls' health, as electrolytes like chloride, potassium, and sodium are essential for bodily functions. Chloride aids digestion and fluid balance, potassium is vital for muscle function and healthy blood pressure, and sodium, while often consumed in excess, is necessary for fluid balance. Regular monitoring can prevent dehydration, muscle cramps, and other health issues, ensuring overall well-being. Understanding hormones is vital for women's health, particularly regarding fertility. Follicle-stimulating hormone (FSH) and luteinizing hormone (LH) regulate the menstrual cycle and ovulation. Abnormal levels can signal fertility issues. Prolactin (PRL) can disrupt menstrual function if elevated, while testosterone, though often linked to men, is essential for women's libido, energy, and mood. Monitoring these hormones offers valuable insights into reproductive health and helps address infertility and hormonal imbalances. Iron deficiency is a common health concern for women and girls, affecting energy levels and overall well-being. Key tests for monitoring iron levels include percent transferrin saturation, iron transport efficiency, iron, actual iron amount, total iron binding capacity, TIP, assessing binding capacity, and unsaturated iron binding capacity, UIP, available binding capacity. Regular testing helps identify deficiencies early, enabling timely interventions for optimal health. This lipid profile tests key cholesterol markers to assess heart health, including total cholesterol, HDL, good cholesterol, and LDL, bad cholesterol. The package also checks important ratios like HDL/LDL and TC/HDL, which help gauge the balance between good and bad cholesterol. Triglycerides and VLDL, very low-density lipoprotein, levels are included to provide a complete view of fat in your blood, ensuring you have a clear understanding of your cardiovascular risk. The liver profile checks key markers like the serum albumin/globulin ratio, alkaline phosphatase, and bilirubin levels to assess liver function and detect disease. It includes tests for gamma-glutamyl transferase, GGT, SCOT/SGPT ratio, total protein, serum albumin, and serum globulin, providing insight into liver health and enzyme activity. Additionally, aspartate aminotransferase, SGOT, and alanine transaminase, SGPT, help identify liver damage or inflammation. The pancreatic section of the health checkup package includes tests for amylase and lipase, which are essential for evaluating pancreatic function. Amylase helps in the digestion of carbohydrates, while lipase is crucial for fat digestion. Monitoring these enzyme levels can provide valuable insights into potential pancreatic disorders, ensuring early detection and management of issues that may affect digestion and overall health. The renal health section of the health checkup package assesses kidney function through tests like BUN/senior creatinine ratio, blood urea nitrogen (BUN), and serum creatinine to evaluate filtration efficiency. It also includes urea/senior creatinine ratio, calcium, and uric acid levels, which are essential for detecting abnormalities and maintaining overall. The thyroid health assessment includes 3 key tests: total triiodothyronine (T3), which regulates metabolism; total thyroxine (T4), reflecting overall thyroid function; and ultrasensitive TSH, indicating thyroid-stimulating hormone levels. Together, these tests offer a comprehensive understanding of thyroid health, essential for maintaining energy levels, weight. The health checkup package tests for various harmful substances, including silver, aluminum, arsenic, barium, and mercury, among others. Monitoring these toxic elements is crucial, as exposure can lead to serious health issues, including developmental disorders. This health checkup package includes essential vitamins that are crucial for women's well-being: vitamin B12, which supports energy levels and nerve function; folate, important for cell division and vital during pregnancy; and 25O vitamin D total, which helps maintain bone health and supports the immune system. Monitoring these vitamins ensures optimal health and helps prevent deficiencies. This health checkup package is the best choice for women and girls because it covers everything important for your health, from your heart and blood to your hormones and vitamins. It helps you catch problems early, keep track of your health, and live a healthier life. If you care about your well-being, this package gives you a complete health overview. Whether you're a young woman, planning a family, or simply looking to stay healthy, this package is designed to keep you informed and in control of your health.